Hello, in this video I just wanted to go over really quick. We're using some libraries for paddle OCR for the optical character recognition for the license plate detection. And then if you see as we go through the code, we're looking at loading the different models, and we screen capture for each frame. And then within those frames, we draw the bounding box. As you can see here highlighted in the code. From there, we go to the definition of drawing out the bounding box. And that's how we frame it, write it. And then once we get the bounding box, we extract the results from the bounding box, export that to this get text, which uses paddle OCR to extract the text. Then we write that all back to the image, compress the images together, and run it as a single movie or a single video file. So here we go, let's run it. So because there's a lot happening in this video, as you can see that it's detecting, and then we write back the results from the paddle OCR optical character recognition back to the screen. I will speed this video up because it does take time. It does take some time because it is a frame by frame render. So there are some implications, like when you have when it recognizes two. So if you notice, it puts the text over both when it recognizes two license plates. So you do have that, and it also does pick up the text, like Virginia or whatever the different script on the bottom of the text is for these are US based license plate. So it's picking up those, and you have the duplicate right. So that is a one thing that needs to be fixed or optimized in this current model, but this is just to show basically that it can be done. And then we'll go into the output file, and here you notice I've used a UUID to just basically so you can run it time and again, and it'll give a unique identifier in the title of the output video. But here it is, and you see it's actually much faster going through this. Once again, it still has the two license plate issue that it can't determine, so it just writes the text from both over both. Once again, that is a feature that can be fixed. I didn't do it here. This is just for display reasons to show that it can be done using the paddle OCR framework with the PyTorch Ultralytics Yo-Yo V5 model. Also, you'll see that I do capture each of the bounding box images, and I kind of blow them up to make it easier for the paddle OCR to extract the text from. So you see these are kind of blurry, but you see that's clear, so it's going to pick up the word Texas in there. There's a couple others you can see as you scroll through that it's picking up, and then there's another one, bin 143 Colorado. So it would pick up that word Colorado, or it did actually pick up that word Colorado on the, and then that's the final plate right there. And we used this plate video image to load it, and there you have it. So that's basically a quick little rundown on license plate detection using optical character recognition in PyTorch.